Good morning class. As you all know beta, in our previous video we have completed our exercise 1.3 up to question number 3rd. Today we will discuss our question number 4th. In this question the A part is this and here we have used a sign. As you all know, this is the symbol, or we can say that sign of equality. Okay, but if we cross this sign, then this will become the sign of not equality. Sign of not equality. So this is the sign of not equality. Now we have to prove the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Here we have to prove that our left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So firstly we will solve our left hand side and then solve our right hand side. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. We have to solve one by one and then we have to check whether their value are same or different. If their value are different, then we can say that we have verified the question number A. Okay. To verify this, let us take firstly the left hand side. This is our left hand side beta and this is our right hand side. So what is in the left hand side? Minus 350 divided by the sum of 50 plus minus 5. Now look at here, this plus and this minus will come together and there is no number between them, and we know that when two different sign comes together and there is no number between them, then their resultant sign is always negative. So by replacing these two sign, we can put here only the single sign, and the single sign we put is minus. So here will come minus. So this is equal to minus 350 divided by 45. It will become minus 350 divided by 45. So this is equal to minus 350 by 45. So beta, when we divide minus 350 by 45, what we have? It will become 9 when we cancel by 5 and it will become minus 70. So the answer is minus 70 by 9. So our left hand side will become equal to minus 70 by 9. Okay. So this is the solution of our left hand side. In the same manner, we will solve our right hand side. What will we solve? Right hand side. So the right hand side is this is our right hand side and this is equal to minus of 350 divided by minus 5 plus minus of 350 divided by 50. Now in part what we have to do, we have to divide minus 350 by minus 5 firstly. So when we divide minus 350 by minus 5, minus got cancelled from minus and this will become equal to 70 because 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. Okay, so this will become equal to 72. So this is the 70. So this part is equal to 70 after solution. So this is equal to 70. This plus and this minus will become minus, and when you divide 350 by 50, 0 got cancelled 0 and 5 7 ja 35. So this part will become equal to 7. So this is equal to 70 minus 7 and that is our 63. So from here we can say that the value of right hand side is 63 and the value of left hand side is minus 70 upon 9. What was the value of left hand side? The value of left hand side is 70 by 9 and this is our right hand side. So this is minus 70 by 9 and this is 63. Both are different. So we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So from here we can say this is verified that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this is the solution of your fourth question A part. Try to do the B part of fourth question by yourself. It is same as like A part. Now we will do our question number fifth A part. In the question number fifth, you have to use the property of division beta. Okay. In the A part, in this A part, which property we have to use? Just recall your mind and go to the property division by 1. We have already discussed this property in the previous video. Whenever we divide an integer by 1, the resultant will be the same integer. Okay. In this A part, division is done by 1. Okay. And this is equal to given to minus 72 and we know that whenever we divide any integer by 1, the resultant is same integer. When we compare these two equations, what we have to put here? The same resultant. So the filling the blanks in this part is filled by minus 72. So the answer of A part is minus 72 because whenever we divide any integer by 1, we will get the same resultant. So we have resultant minus 72 and division by 1. So the answer is minus 72. I hope you will get it. Now we will move on the B part of this question. Look at the B part of fifth question. In the B part, we have given 1 blank and divided by a integers minus 68 and the result is equal to 0. Again recall your properties and go to the property of 0. I have explained in the previous video, whenever you divide 0 by any integer, 0 divided by any integer, then the resultant is 0. Okay. Whenever we divide 0 by any integer, then our resultant is 0. So here our resultant is 0 and division by integer is given. So this blank should be filled by 0 because this is the property of 0 whenever it is divided by any integer and the resultant is 0. So resultant 0 means our blank should be filled by 0. So the answer of B part is 0. Now we will move on the next part. This is your D part of question number 5th. C part is same as like A part. Try to do by yourself. Okay. So this is the D part beta. In D part, let our blank is filled by x integer. Okay. So x divided by minus 500 is equal to plus 500. Okay. So as you know, this division can be written like this, x by minus 500. This is given to equal to again 500. And we know that whenever this number goes to the right side of equality, it will become into multiplication. Okay, division changes into the multiplication and plus changes into minus. Okay, so here is division, so this should be multiplied by this number. So to find the value of x, what we have to do? We have to multiply plus 500 to minus 500. So the value of x will become equal to 500 multiplied by minus 500. So the answer is minus 2,50,000. What is the answer? 2,50,000. So this is the answer of your D part. Try to do the remaining part of this question by yourself, and if you have any kind of problem, we will take that problem in our live class. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.